Good day, everyone. Today, I am excited to present our design user interface RTN and UI. Our goal with this UI is to create an intuitive, user-friendly experience that enhances usability. So, I am Jamaica, and I will be discussing the overview of this project and the markup. So, let's begin with an overview of the UI. The design follows model featuring a clean and organized layout. We have carefully structured the elements to provide a foundation for its user experience. The UI consists of three components such as homepage, navigation system, interaction, and interactive user experience. The UI consists of elements and accessibility features, all the design with the user needs in mind. Come now to the mockup presentation. So the mockup is detailed and like we have created a detailed mockup of the UI. And the mockup represents the structure, color scheme, typography, and overall layout of the image. Time before moving into the development, ensuring an optimal user experience.
I'm the next presenter. I'm Justin. I'll present the user flow, login registration, homepage navigation. For the user flow, understanding a user flow is crucial for an effective UI. For our designs, it ensures logical and intuitive path for users to follow. Here's how a typical user interacts with the system. So as you can see, we have a newly designed a user flow that presented at our course. So here's the sign in, the home page, the search page, and this the after you use the search page, the results of use page, and we go to the live UI, goes to watch UI, and the audio UI. For the login registrations, the users enters a credentials or an create an account. For the page navigation, after they log in, they are directed to the dashboard where they can access the key features and other more.
I am Kent, so I'm gonna be explaining the feature interaction. The user can explore a different functionalities such as profile, management, data entry, reports, and etc. For the homepage serves as the main dashboard, providing user with quick access to essential features. We have integrated a search functionality. As for user interaction, it is an interactive element such as buttons, drop-downs, and forms have been designed with accessibilities and responsiveness in mind. We ensure that user can interact with the system efficiently on both desktop and mobile devices.
Talk about our proposed system, user interaction, color scheme and typography, and accessibility features. Interactive elements such as buttons, drop-downs, and forms are designed with accessibility and responsiveness in mind. We interact with the system efficiently on both desktop and mobile devices. The color scheme was carefully selected to enhance readability and provide a visually appealing experience. We have shown We have chosen red, white, and black to align with brand identity. The typography follows a inner style, ensuring clarity and professionalism. To make the UI inclusive, featured navigation and screen reader compatibility. In conclusion, our designed UI offers a streamlined, engaging, and accessible experience for users. The structured user flow ensures seamless navigation, while the Mac gives a clear visual representation of the final product. We are confident that this design will greatly improve usability and efficiency. Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to your feedback.
Now let's talk about the mock-up presentation. For the mock-up presentation, uh, which provide a visual representation of the UI before the development. This design helped ensure a polished and functional interface before implementation. The mock-ups covers all major aspects of the UI, focusing on layout, navigation, and aesthetics. For the login and registration page, we have a sign in and login page. It serves as the gateway to the platform. Features include clean input fields, validation feedback, and I forgot password option. The registration form ensures smooth onboarding with required fields and tooltips for guidance. For the dashboard, is designed as the key central hub, displaying key metrics, notifications, and circuits. Users can quick links to recent activities, personalized recommendations, and key system updates. The layout the layout balances information density with readability, ensuring a clean and structured look. For the navigation system, it allows seamless access to different sections such as profile management, reports, and settings. Depending on the screen size, the navigation adapts to either a sidebar or collapsible top menu. For the key features of this UI, in homepage serves as the main dashboard, providing users to quick access to essential features. We have integrated search functionality, notifications, quick links, or any features. For the navigation system, it incorporates an intuitive navigation bar or sidebar, which clearly labels sections, including a dashboard, profiling, or profile, settings, reports, and etc. This helps users more effortlessly through the application. For the user interaction or UI, elements such as buttons, drop-downs, and forms have been designed with accessibility, responsiveness in mind. For the color scheme and typography, we carefully selected a readability color which is red, white, black, maroon to align the brand identity or user needs. The typography follows a inter font, uh, light, semi-bold, and bold for the ensuring clarity and professionalism. For the future enhancement, we have a dark mode, AI-driven, enhanced mobile responsiveness, and advanced analytic dashboard. And that's all, and thank you.